Are most green card marriage cases fake? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States at our offices in St. Louis, Missouri, San Diego, California, and Washington, D.C. You know, we've had our YouTube channel for a while, and I've been actively checking the comments lately, and one of the things that seems to come up from time to time are people who feel that the marriage-based green card system that we have in the United States is really sort of criminal and just people looking to scam Americans out of green cards and out of immigration benefits, and that there are people who are getting married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder just to get a green card themselves, when in fact they're not really married, not really in love, not really in a valid relationship. And so I wanted to take this moment on this video to discuss this topic. And I will tell you that I've been doing immigration law since 2007, and marriage-based cases are what we do the most of here at Hacking Immigration Law. And I would say that of the 500, 600 that we handle every year, the vast, vast majority are spouses who love each other. Situations where they've met, they've fallen in love, there's a foreign national involved, and they decide that they want to be together for the rest of their lives. Now, the U.S. immigration system is completely screwed up, and there are people who abuse the system. There are no doubt have been people who have gotten taken advantage of. We talk to people on our Immigration Answers show, and we get emails frequently from people who have been scammed. And I feel really, really sorry for those people, and I would really, really like to see anyone who engages in immigration fraud punished to the full extent of the law, and that they would never receive an immigration benefit. We don't take any cases in which we think the marriage is not real, and we have turned down cases where we figured out that the people that were sitting in front of us were not telling us the truth. But we've handled thousands of these cases over the years, and we've only had one come back to us, and USCIS later figured out that the marriage was fake. So I think that while I understand the passion, I understand the upsetness, I understand why people get sad, I think it's unwise and untrue to then label the entire system as rigged or just supporting people who want to get a immigration benefit. Some people think that you only hire an immigration lawyer if it's a fake case, and that's a real head scratcher for me, because an immigration lawyer is going to dig deep. An immigration lawyer is going to spend time figuring out if this is a real marriage or not. Now, of course, we take everyone at their word, and we believe that when people tell us that they're in love and that they're getting married for the purposes of being together for the rest of their lives, and that immigration is just one piece of the puzzle that they have to figure out, we believe them because we know how complicated it is, and we understand how stressful it is. So I just sort of want to put that to bed, this idea that most people who get green cards based on marriage are scammers or criminals or liars or really in love with somebody else and just running their own scam against their spouse or against the family or against the U.S. government. And I think that USCIS thinks that a lot, that they think that most of these marriages in front of them are fake. But the fact of the matter is that there are millions of people walking around, and many of them fall in love, and many of them need to get an immigration benefit in order to get their situation taken care of. So I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand. And if you want to leave a comment below, if you think I'm full of it, feel free to tell me. I'd be happy to hear from you. And if you think that what I'm saying is true, I'd like to hear that too. So in any event, if you're looking to hire our firm to help you through the immigration process to get that marriage-based green card, we'd love to work with you, assuming that it's a real marriage. And you can call us at 314-961-8200. You can email us info@hackingimmigrationlaw.com. We would love to hear from you and love to try to help you. If you're just looking for free advice, totally cool. We have lots of resources for you. Of course, first of all, we have our YouTube channel with hundreds and hundreds of videos on just about every immigration concept you could think of. We also have our Immigrant Home Facebook group, which is where immigrants are talking about the immigration process every single day. We also, of course, have our Immigration Answers show where I go live 3 or 4 times a week answering as many of your immigration law-related questions. You can find out more about that by texting the word SHOW to 314-470-3300. And finally, we have our TikTok channel at Immigration Hacking, and we would love to have you connect with us there. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.